Something happened to this scooter. It just shut down. It doesn't work at all, and so this one's big. My boy came with the scooter here. This one I can, but I cannot. D5322. I'm now switching to the e-bike mode.
Customer's address, or the order is missing items.
There we go, we're back again. Oh, okay, I went a little bit further away. Hey, what's up guys, this is Kevin House, back to another video. The scooter e-bike will be like on deliveries. Also with Cornershop and UberEats and Doordash. That's what we do here. This channel. Pickup for Divya. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Something happened to this scooter. It just shut down completely, and I'm halfway there. The boost is not working. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Guys, I don't have any idea what's happening with this thing. It's quite heavy to push it too.
Customer's address, or the order is missing items.
Problem with the delivery. Someone talk to the rear. I don't know what it is, but it makes it more difficult to even to push the scooter. It took me half an hour by walk to the customer, and there's a big steep hill. I mean, the display shows everything here, but it's just the throttle doesn't work at all. Hi, so I'm calling for an issue that just occurred like 10 minutes ago. Broke out in the middle of the trip, so it might take a really long time, like 30 minutes. So I'm just calling to inform about this situation.
Okay. gonna take like a lot of time before you can do the delivery, sir, because your vehicle has broken down. So I can call the customers for you. Let's start first with the delivery for 8 p.m.
Okay. It is a double order. So it's like 2 customers.
I'll be right back, okay? And then we'll work on the other delivery for you and stay on the line.
Thank you so much. Then we cancel 2 orders. I have to take a cab to go home.
Michael, thank you so much for patiently holding on the line. So, okay, I tried to call Lydia regarding the order, but I was not able to get hold of anyone. So to help you out, what I'll just do is I'll get the delivery canceled for you. Don't worry, if you cancel the order again, it's not gonna have any negative effect on your ratings, and then you still get the payment for this. And then we're going to work on the next delivery now, the
Okay.
one for Frank. So it's just gonna be the same process. I have to call the customer. It's gonna take like 3 to 5 minutes. Is it okay
Okay.
if I please to call and hold again?
No problem, no problem. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Oh, it's okay. You're welcome. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hi, Michael. Thanks for holding the line.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Okay, so I was able to contact. So I got it canceled, sir. So I explained it to him. I got him refunded already. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time. Contacting Uber Eats. Stay safe on the road and you have a wonderful day, sir.
You too. Thank you so much. Guys, I have to take Uber now. Uber cab. Because I can't go home. From here it's too far. Let's wait for the cab. I guess it's free food plus you still get paid for the delivery trip. That's very generous from Uber. UberEats. I mean, even though I fucked it up, but shit like this can happen. This is actually the first time. I think that it just took a while to connect the UberEats customer service. It took like maybe 20 minutes to get in touch with them, but they sorted it out. Back to the e-bike. See, I have some issue with the scooter, so I'm just gonna check later on. So I just want to put it here. Stays more secure. I am now switching to the e-bike mode because I believe the blue cheese are playing right now, so I think people are gonna be ordering a lot of food, just hang out with their friends. So let's see. Let's switch to e-bike mode. Come on, 6 kilometer for 5.3 kilometer for $6. That's not good. 10. Oh Lord, this is far. Into center. No. So decline that one. Sorry, I just have to cancel. Yeah, this one I can, but I cannot.
Can you take one of them?
Yeah, these two here. This is for who? Yeah, it's good. Which is the name? So sorry. Which one is is Corey?
This is for Corey.
Corey. All right, cool. Thank you. That's for sure. Whew. I mean.
I don't know. All I know is.
Boy came with the scooter here.
Are you here for delivery?
Hello, I'm here for delivery. Thank you. Thanks. Oh. Oh, okay. Hello. It's for Cassandra. Cassandra here.
Can I see it again?
It is 845F.
Yeah, just maybe get a website. Okay,
Awesome.
there you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Just take this out. Do you know where's Via Madina?
Oh yeah, it's, you go straight. Then
Food court? Okay, thank you so much. Try this, right? Let's grab this one first. Thank you. Right here.
I want a picture.